This is the genuine Gerber GA715014 flapper. This flapper comes complete with the chain and hook to connect to the lever. This flapper is shaped a little bit different than other flappers, as this side here is raised. We'll get a few measurements here. This is a 3-inch flapper. It's got a larger hole here on the top of the cone, and then a smaller one at the base of the cone there. Get the length of the ears here. And these ears connect the flapper to the flush valve. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber GA715014 flapper.